what's up, guys? How are you guys doing? I am amazing. So, today I have something that I just want to share with you guys regarding FL. Right, so if you're a person that maybe likes to record stuff um, and you want to improve your sound, right? Usually, what I do, because I'm using a piano at the moment, so make sure that you have your mid connected. Like I have my Roland arranger connected, right? So I'm just gonna play something, and then I'll just mix it with you guys, and then we'll just see how it sounds when it's raw, and how it sounds when after I've just touched it and put a few effects on it. Yeah. So let's firstly get the tempo. So I'm just gonna play something very simple. Okay, let's lower the tempo. Okay, I think that should do. Let's, okay, it's already here. Perfect. So, yeah, don't mind my keyboard skills, you know. We just cut it short. I think I messed up a couple of times, but it's okay. We just cut it and see where it sounds better, right? So let's just play it. So I'll just cut it from there, then put this in channel 7. And then I'll go back to my piano roll, because remember when I cut this thing. Perfect. Then we cut it from there. So right now, okay, what should we call it? Sometimes. Let's call it sometimes. Perfect. So we're just saving everything in here. Let's save it here. So what I would firstly like to do, right? So I have the sound. It's in channel 7. Personally, what I'd like to do is I like to compress. So I go to my Fruity multi-band compressor. You can be selecting sounds from here. And then usually, so I pick the second band compressor, then I go again. Then I look for the Fruity limiter so that everything stays on the same line, nothing is above frequencies. And obviously the EQ. Okay, not this one. There's the EQ2. Here it is. So I don't want it to be too sharp, so I'm just lowering the tremble. Then my next step is I will put in a little bit of reverb, not so much. this for a little bit. If you'd like, you can add even delay. It's really not ideal. It's unnecessary to put delay. So I just want to play it without effects. You can hear everything is uneven, it's not balanced, but then when I put back the effects, it's strong. So the easiest thing to do is just also try to use, if you're using big speakers, you can also use what we call the sound goodizer. I'm just looking for it right now. Where are you? It's usually here somewhere. You know, this things, it could be right in front of you and you can't see it. Yeah, the sound goodizer, here it is. And this sound, you can even clone it into something else. Copy it, paste it. Let's look for another sound or another keyboard or whatever that we can find. Let's look for other sounds. Let's replace all this. Let's use the flex. So I like this enlightenment. It becomes something different. Really sounds like something else. And you can even make from hip hop. It's usually what I do. I make just samples, like mellow samples, and then from these mellow samples you can actually make R&B beats, you can make hip hop beats, just depending on how you're really feeling and how everything is corresponding. So it's really simple, and with the sound effects it makes it sound phenomenal. It's amazing what you can do with these sounds. So I'm not going into detail with a lot of these. Let's try to change It's amazing. other words, whatever sounds that you can add, they can either contribute to whatever that you're making, and it can come out even perfect or even more beautiful than you actually thought. So it's always about trying new sounds, trying new things. We at home just try to make samples, add different things from paramatics to whatever. Just try to balance things out because you want your sound to sound more professional. Whenever you have an artist, you want to be saying, you know what, this is what I have and this is new. So I hope you guys have learned something from this. I know it's short and sweet, but thank you so much.